Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to disable automatic speaker on iPhone during calls. So, if during calls your iPhone put itself into speaker, if you have incoming calls or your iPhone pick up itself automatically and put on speaker, then here's a video for you. This video is going to walk you through how you can easily disable this. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to disable automatic speaker on iPhone during calls, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings page, scroll down and click on accessibility. Scroll down the accessibility page, locate and click on touch. Now scroll down, click on call audio routing. Once you selected call audio routing, then you should see first auto answer call enabled. Go ahead and disable this. This is going to make sure that your iPhone does not pick up the call automatically. Now, to turn off or disable automatic speaker on iPhone during calls, come here and select automatic. So this will allow you to switch between speaker and hear mode by yourself. Then you can say call audio routing determine where audio will be heard during a phone call or FaceTime audio. And then once you've said that, hit the back button and then you're good to go. So that's exactly how to turn off or disable automatic speaker on iPhone during call. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.